Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you on how to download the ForShared app on any BlackBerry device. Now I'm using my new BlackBerry Curve 9220. First, go to your browser and then search. Wait. First, search forshare.com and then go to that site. Now you wait. Now, ForShared is website where you can download videos, music, photo, books, and movies. Wait, back. And you can also upload here too. Now, you can see that sign there says download. Then press download. Can't download it because I already have one. If you download it twice, it will get lost and you have to download it again and reboot your cell phone. So I'm gonna cancel it, but trust me, it works. So cancel. No. See, this is ForShared. Now you can download. I will show you some how. Go to search anything you want. So I want Michael Jackson. This is you can download Bad by Michael Jackson. Press the thing you want, so it will add to your account. Oh, you need to have an account first, so you can download. So subscribe for more videos. Go to youtube.com/ theunstoppable135. Then okay, so play music. See, works. Thanks for watching.